How to share a screen on Messenger video call. On this process, firstly you will have to open your Messenger and open the conversation whom you want to make call and share the screen on that. So I will choose this random conversation here. And after that, you'll have to make a video call to that person. So simply tap on the video call icon. Alright, so after you are on your video call, you will got options at the bottom like it will be attached with gallery, photo and video icon. So simply tap on it. And from here, you'll have to click on that start sharing option. Okay, so start now. Alright, so now from here, you will be able to share your screen on a Messenger video call. So this is the easiest and simplest method to share your screen on Messenger video call. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.